This is a practical demo for the MVP Cardano Property Solutions. We have got the authentication and authorization features like register, right? It's very easy and quick. Then we have got the login. There we have it. It's very easy. Okay, I've already logged in here on this one here. Once you have logged in here, you are logging in as an agent to sell, you post your property and tokenize it and sell it in form of shares. Before you do this, you need the administrator to set up the market. So this part here, you log in as an administrator. This part shows here the administrator is logged in. Here is the dashboard of the administrator that you see. Then let me click the dashboard. So we have been testing this. You can see these different tests that have been around. You can see how many registered users, agents, and total share tokens minted so far, total properties listed, total share tokens placed on sale, total tokens sold, total share tokens circulated, and then we've got total share tokens market values. These are forms of reports. They may not be accurate. Here, the most important thing is when a marketplace is being created, the administrator and the owner of the marketplace will come here and mint property thread. Click here, then you go through and mint. I've already done that. That is why if you do not mint the property thread, then you have no market. Then no one can list anything on that market that doesn't have a smart contract. Then there are only 3 NFTs that are required to identify the market: the property thread, the reference NFT, and also the property registry office NFT. Well, the reference is for the reference shares. Each share must reference this. The thread is for identifying this market on the Explorer, on the Cardano blockchain. The registry office NFT, this one is for ensuring that only this property is sold once, is to prevent double sales on the property on different platforms that are using smart contracts. This is done by the registry office. Each country has got a registry office for listing and streamlining sales. Right, this part is already done. Let me show you some other reports here, like view property that has been sold here. You can click, these are the blockchain part. You can view each on the blockchain. So there is, you can see this one was sold last year. We've been testing this since last year. Then there it is. You can see the shares there, P8070 share FT. We've got P8070 C148. They are on blockchain. Right. Also, if you want to have the script address of any of these properties that have been shared, there is the script address. Click it and then go to the blockchain and then view the transactions that have gone through this. And there we go. And let me get back to the administrator. But last thing, let's see the list of those who list the properties here. These are the different agents that have listed here. So I'm going to leave the back end and go to this side where I'm logged in as a person who's going to post property, tokenize it, and sell it in form of Cardano shares. Right here, I've clicked post property. So when you click post property, you get to this page here, where now you have to list first property, so that the details of the property, like the features, the address, the price, they are first registered. So I have set up this. I'm going to select just an image, any image for now. What you need to see, so that I'm going to add here, so that we identify it easily. I'll just say, because there are so many of these being sold, cannot strict. Okay, now let us post list. Okay, what this has done, if I come here now under tokenized property, under my account, this has been listed here. So from my dashboard, I can see these that I have placed here for tokenization. These ones have been tokenized, the shares sold. Some of the shares, these NFTs or tokens, FTs, are on the wallet. So this one that I just did now is this one. You can see 47 Tree Avenue and Penalty Street for 1.8. This is the one now I'm going to mint share tokens on Cardano. So let me select 10 Ether, and here I increase the total number of shares. So I'm going to have 180,000 shares. Each one will be sold for 10 Ether. So this is the minting process. So here I have to check, verify that I'm minting the correct number. And here it is PID93 share FT. So there are some details here, metadata for the house, which allows people to inspect it on blockchain before they buy the shares. Right, here I'm going to sign. And submit the transaction onto the blockchain. Right, so it has been done. So when I reload, you can see this has been submitted onto the blockchain. So if we head over to the property market now, you see here is the property. You can identify it with end penalty here. And then you can see here share tokens on sale 0. But now we have minted all those tokens, but we haven't sold them. We have set up the price. They are 180,000 each at 10 Ether. If you multiply this and this, it will give you 180,000, whatever, dollar or Ether. If $1 is equal to 1 Ether. But there are some features that we are still refining here. Here is the contract address. But for now, what we need to do is inspect the wallet. So on my wallet 3 here, I have got only these PID93 shares, which are 180, PID90 share, which is 1, PID92. So this one is PID93. I don't have it here. So that's the one that for now I am going to sell. Let me sell 2,000 of this. What I'm doing here now, I'm transferring these to the marketplace, transferring them from my wallet. So when I minted them, this is PIT 93 shares, 180,000. They go to my wallet, me, the owner of the property. Then from there, I'm going to sell them in batches. This allows flexibility in terms of fluctuating markets. So in this case, the first thing I am putting on, I can put all of them. That will be fine. Or I can put half of them. In this case, I've decided to put 2,000. So let me sell 2,000 property tokens. Are you sure you want to sell 2,000 property tokens? Yes. So I'm signing now and can check again. See, it's 2,000 that I'm sending to the market for sale, for public sale. There is the smart contract. We've seen the smart contract on the back end. Let me sign. Okay, congratulations. Transaction is now on blockchain. So from there, nothing can be changed. If I check my wallet, see, now I've got 178,000 of these, because the other 2,000 are on the market, on the smart contract now. You can see the transaction here on top, still loading up. Right, if I reload the page, I want you to see when I reload the page, now it's going to reflect how many of these tokens are public now, are for sale. You can see there are 2,000 now, which means now, and this button is available. It was not there. It was like this. This one, you don't have this button because out of these 200,000, none of them are placed on public sale. They are still on the wallet. Right, in this case here, I have put 2,000 on public sale. People can buy and trade those ones. So they can come here and use this green button and select how many they want to buy. I'm going to use the same wallet. It works. It will work even if I change the wallet. So here I'm going to imagine it's another wallet, and I'm going to buy 3. Let me buy 3. Remember, each is 10. So I'm going to buy 3 and let me run. So buy 3 property tokens. Are you sure I want to buy 3 property tokens? T's and C's apply. Yes. Right, then there we come. I have to sign. You can check. I've got 3. You can check the metadata. You can see the smart contract. You can see the date I'm going to lose with the transaction fee. Okay, it's on blockchain. We've got the transaction hash. There we go. So now we've got that transaction hash again. So when I reload now, and then I check, let me check one more thing here. When I reload, you'll see now the tokens that are left are 1,997 because 3 have been sold. So good enough is the same wallet that is buying those ones here. They will come here and they are added to this one. So you see those 3 are the ones. So you can check. This was 2 minutes ago. This is the latest transaction that is coming to reflect. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to the next step so that we don't waste time. Now I want to resell some of these PIT tokens that I have bought. These are property shares that I've bought from different property listed around here, sold in Ada. I want more shares from different property to spread the risk. So I come here now to say resell token shares. Right, for now, what do you see? You see the 3 that I bought are not reflecting. it's a network. They are still coming. For now, all what I see are the 178 that I still have there. But the other one that I bought is this PIT 90, which is one. I've got this PIT 92, which two of them I bought. The other ones I didn't resell. This also allows you to even resell the other ones that you didn't put on sale at first using this interface. So for now, I'm going to select two from here, and I'm going to buy them, sell them. Remember, I am reselling these two. I'm going to resell them at 40 Ether each. You can still inspect. This is the transaction fee. I'm going to buy two. I'm going to put these two on market at a 40 Ether each. There, we have managed to do that. Right, can reload. You can see the two have been put on market. They are no longer on my wallet. If I come here to my wallet, you will see it's no longer 192,002 because I've sold two. Let me sell these ones again. This one I'll sell it for 50. Okay, there. It says the transaction just ran now. Came very fast. Going to sell this one now. This one I'm going to sell it for 60 Ether. Right, the details you have checked before, everything is okay. Okay, done. Right. There, gone. Very fast. If I reload here, they are on the market. Now let us go to the actual resale market here. Token market. Here on the token market is a platform where tokens that were initially bought by others are being resold at different prices, at a lower price or at a higher price. Right, I've got this one here, the PIT 92. See, I bought two of it. There is one PIT 93. Is it 90 where I bought? I resold one. Was it one? Yes. So it's not reflecting. Right. Or for now, let me just buy back this one so that you see it as a different price. This PIT 92. Let me do that. I'll buy all of them. Or let me buy one. So when the wallet comes out, it will come up with the latest price. You see now, one is 40 Ether each. And then you can see it's PIT 92. So it means now, when a person buys this, the person who resold it is making profit. Check in console window. There was an error there. Right, let me reload. Alright. Now, remember this one was on the way coming, P89. Now it is reflecting. So it is here. So here I wanted to buy one, so maybe I put the wrong password. Properly now. Right, you can see that one. The correct price for one is 60. You can see it is 60. It is being resold at 60. Okay, so now I did put the correct password. You can see now I've resolved. So here I'm going to be left with 1. This one is still going to be there. And then if I check the wallet, okay, it hasn't what you call it, updated. It will update. But when I come to my wallet, you should see now I've got 1 that I have bought. This one. Then here you see some changes. This P8092, which is this one, yeah. But let me reload once more. Another way of changing, you can check your latest transactions here. See just now, you see that 3 assets. Okay, come down again. Check. I was expecting I sold 1. Let me be sure. Yeah, there it's gone. That one was still there. Now it is gone. All right. So you can play around with this. We've got more things. You can view listers. You can have other menus about conduct as services. GitHub. You can go to GitHub. I'll take you to the GitHub to see the more details, the smart contract design and the smart contract source code. There it is. And then you can fork it and play around with it. There is the source code of the what is running now. The latest source code is 29 December 2024. You have got everything here, and it's easy to host and test. Right. This is it about demonstrating this application. Thank you.